Good morning. Today is, I think, Tuesday. Let me see. Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. It is the 1st of April. You can see my dog. It is the 1st of April. And today we are going to talk about middle sounds. So remember, when we talk about middle sounds, it is the sound that comes in the middle of the arm when you sound out. So beginning, middle, end, the middle sound. So I have some rabbits up here because Easter is coming up, and it has a picture in the middle. And what we're going to do is we're going to figure out the middle sound, and I'm going to write it right here. Okay, let's go. The first picture is ham. We see that it starts with an H and ends with an M. So let's do it. Am, am, am. We know how to spell that word. Am. How do we spell that word? A-M. So let's do it. Am. H-A-M. So the middle sound is or A. A. Very good. The next word is dog. Dog. Let's sound it out. D-og. D-og. Ah. What vowel says ah? Oh, very good. Oh. Okay. Let's do the next one. Hit. It. It. What is that sound? What is that letter? It. I. Do you know what I'm noticing, you guys? All of our middle sounds are what? Do you know what they are? They are vowels. Vowels. Very good. Vowels. Can somebody name the vowels for me? Name them. That's right. A, E, I, O, and U. Very good. Let's do it again. A, E, I, O, U. And that's right. These are all C, V, C words, which means that the V, or the middle sound, is going to be a vowel. It's going to be one of these letters. Okay. So let's go back up and let's see if we're right. Okay. So the next word is log. Let's sound that word out. Log. Ah. What vowel says ah? Oh, very good. Oh. Let's do the next one. Fan. Fan. An. What does the middle sound of fan have? An. An is spelled A-N. So the middle sound is a A. Very good. Let's do this one. Pig. Ig. Ig. What vowel says I? I. Very good. Let's do another one. Top. Up. Ah. What sound is that? Oh. Very good. Let's do the next one. It's kind of hard to see, but it's gum. What letter is that? What vowel is that? U. Very good. The next one, fox. Ox. Ah. You make the letter with your mouth when you say that sound. Ah. It is a O. Very good. And the last one, bed. What sound is that? What letter is that? E. Very good. An E. So we have am, og, it, hit, log, log, an, fan, ig, pig, op, top, gum, ox, fox, and bed, bed. Very good. So today what I want you to do, I'm going to be posting a video on, here, wait, let me fix my camera, you guys. Sorry. I'm going to be posting a video on these vowels, on the vowels. And I want you to watch that video too, because I'm missing some. I need you to write 2 CVC words, or words that have a consonant, vowel, consonant. So like dog, cat, rat, any 3-letter words that have a vowel in the middle. I need you to write 2 of them that I can put here and here. And I want you to draw a picture that matches your CVC word. Take a picture of it. You can text it to me, or you can post it on Google Classroom. So let me go over it again. I need you to write a CVC word, 2 CVC words. So that's a word with a consonant, vowel, consonant. And the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So your middle sound is going to be one of these vowels. Because I need to put one here and here. Any 3-letter word that has a vowel in the middle. Write it and draw the picture to match. I want 2 of them. You can send a picture to me, text, or post it online. All right, well, I love you guys. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.